club of faggots.
What is going on, guys? So today I'm taking the steering wheel off. I'm putting a D&D performance steering wheel on with a quick release hub. And they didn't have their, or the quick release, and they didn't have their hub in stock. But I got this one off like importtuners.com. It's basically like their hub. So, hopefully it works. And all you're going to need is a screwdriver and an 18 mil to get the steering wheel off. So I will try to show you that right now by myself, so I'll do the best I can. Not an 18. Note to self, it's not an 18. Damn. There we go. Now you want to leave the steering wheel on so you don't whack yourself in the face when you pull it off. And there we go, it's off. Now, you want to make sure it's straight before you take it all the way off. That way you don't have a crooked steering wheel. Because that would be the worst. Alright. You're gonna have to reuse this. Just keep it there. Steering wheel is off. Now, I got this hub from a friend a long time ago. My zoom was way in. My bad. I got this hub from a friend a long time ago. Supposedly it was for a 240. We're about to find out. That is definitely not for a 240. As you can see, it not for a 240. So that's garbage. Not for a 240. Bought it for 40 bucks like 3 years ago. Now we got this hub that we're going to be putting on. That is for a 240. And then we're just going to put this nut on. Come on, son. Don't screw me over. And then I'm going to tighten it. Perfect. Now we're going to get the quick release and put it on. Does this not fit? I don't feel like this fits. It really might not. Oh, it doesn't fit. Well, my hub doesn't fit. That's a bummer. Probably put it in the wrong one. Oh, right on my phone. Okay. I put it on the wrong one. Yeah. I don't even know, dude. Doesn't look like it's working at all. Alright, let me try to solve this problem real quick like. Installing a steering wheel was supposed to be easy. It's not. And now it's dead. We'll be back with a quick commercial break. Now with the supplied hardware, you're going to take your quick release right here. You're going to put the long bolt through because these have no threads. These don't have any threads. So you're going to take the long silver bolt, put it through, put a washer and a nut on the back side, and tighten the steering wheel down to this. You will not have a horn with this quick release, which that's okay. Mine is just a straight up drift car. So the steering wheel I got is a suede one, which is what I wanted. It's really hard to do with one hand. I hate filming by myself. I got the suede steering wheel with the red stitching, and I love it. The quality's great. I love it a lot. I strongly recommend. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I strongly recommend D&D Performance Interior parts. I really like it a lot. It came with gloves. I got some gloves along with it. Quick release. I didn't have the hub in stock, so I just went and bought this one. And there's no play in it, so I mean, if it works, it works. I got all black. Now I got this hub and I got this quick release because I wanted the steering wheel to come out as far as possible to stay away from the hydro. So that's why I got this hub instead of like an Energy short hub. Even though I thought I had one, I went ahead and bought this one because I wanted it to come out further than because I am a tall guy and my seat's going to sit pretty far back, so I wanted the steering wheel as far back as possible. So that's why I got this long hub and then this quick release that's longer. So I'm just going to install the steering wheel onto the quick release. Again, you take the silver bolt, go through the steering wheel. This goes on the back side, and you take a nut onto the back side of that, and you just nut and washer on the back side, and you just tighten it. I think they are an 8mm. They're very small, so I'll let you know as soon as I. Alright, steering wheel is installed with the D&D Performance Interior, quick release steering wheel, and some crappy DNA hub that's just like theirs. It's a replica, so it works. These are 8mm. So everything you'll need to install the steering wheel will be an 8mm wrench. It comes with Allen keys, so you don't need those. You'll need a 19mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver, a stubby one and a long one preferably. And that is everything you need to install your D&D steering wheel, quick release, and replica hub. But it's the same as their hub, so no horn anymore. That's fine. I really love the steering wheel. I cannot wait to shred next year. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. More to come on the 240 pretty soon. That's all I got for today. Peace out.